You're a fucking bright one, aren't you, you dipshit? Yeah, back your ass up. What the fuck are you doing? Fucking crackheads. You know that's a bike lane, right? Are you aware that's a bike lane? Well, there you go. There you go. You grew a brain. Look at that. Nurture them, take care of them, mock them from afar, and they make you so fucking proud. Beautiful stop, Black Hills. Yeah, you have to follow the same traffic laws, you fucking cock. A little old to be riding the fucking BMX. Jesus Christ, what the fuck are you doing? Fuck! Oh. Another highly intelligent turn. That wasn't the turn lane, you fuck.
New spot for comedy in beautiful downtown Springs. It is 3 East Comedy Club.
Oh, you fucking retard.
First cafe and lounge. Obviously checking out food, drinks before the show.
You stupid fuck. It's called off for a reason, dumb shit. Really, fuckhead? Douchebag! You're fucking intelligent.